relationship h squared equals to o squared plus a squared. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, I can also say the same thing. If I want to find the length of the red line, it's basically a right angle triangle. So I can say that the relationship over there is going to be r squared, agreed, is equal to x minus a squared
It drew 90 and it doesn't transfer.
plus y minus b squared.
Last one. I saw the vehicle.
Say no.
You are not okay with that one.
No, sir.
If there is a right angle triangle this way,
Mm.
and this is h, and this is let's say o, and this is a, what's the relationship? Isn't it a squared is equal to o squared plus a squared?
Yes, sir.
And I did tell you that the hypotenuse is the side that directly faces the 90 degrees.
Yes, sir. You
So that
too.
is the r. The square of the r is going to be equal to the sum of squares of the other sides. So you've got x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. Are we good with that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You don't really need to expand at this point. So there will be another time, or like there is another equation where you're going to expand. But for the meantime, let's try to work with this one. So we're saying that the equation of a circle centered at the point AB. This time it's not at the origin. It's given by x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So with this one, what should I say about it again? Yes, basically that is the second equation of the circle. The first one was pretty short. It didn't have the a and the b. So if you know that one, memorizing this one shouldn't be a problem. So x squared plus y squared equal to r squared, right? This was the first one.
Yes, sir.
Now you know that the new center, the center is AB. The x component of the center is A and the y component of the center is B. So basically the new equation is going to be x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Ideally, this equation you see over here is basically x minus 0 squared, the x component of the center, plus y minus 0 squared equals to r squared. But you know x minus 0 is actually x, so there is no need to write x minus 0. But in reality, that is what we are supposed to write. We good?
Yes, sir.
So that also brings us to where we are talking about the substitution. So if you do the substitution, basically the center you have substituted and you have found the radius. So let's take a question and see.
So now I can substitute.
Not really. Let's see. We just build them up. So
Okay.
okay. So let's take a question. Find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of a circle centered at the point 1, 4 and with radius 4 units. So find the equation of the circle centered at the point 1, 4 and with radius 4 units. Okay, so again in this type of question,
Good
like I
job.
always say, it's advisable to draw. It's not compulsory to draw, but it's advisable to.
So that I can draw on the exam sheet.
Oh yeah, it's just a sketch. So
Okay.
it guides you to get the answer as fast, or get a visual representation of what you are doing. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So basically, what you are doing is just trigonometry and find the length of a line. That's all. So we got 4, and we got a center to 1, 4. So this is equation of a circle, not centered at the origin. So in this question, maybe the drawing is not going to do anything because the formula is not difficult to memorize. The formula, if you remember, is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals to r squared. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
This was the formula where the a is actually the center, the s coordinate of the center, and the b is the y coordinate of the center. We good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this case, I can say that the x coordinates of the center is 1, giving you x minus 1 squared plus y coordinates of the center is 4. So y minus 4 squared is equal to the radius. The radius was given as 4 squared. The expansion of this is going to be x squared minus 2x plus 1. And the expansion of this is going to be y squared, I think minus 8x plus 16. Am I correct? Is equal to 16.
So the 8x is wrong.
The 8x is okay. So just a test. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so in this case, this gives you x squared minus 2x plus 1, y squared minus 8y. The 16 goes there, basically is 0. If the 16 goes there, it's actually cancels the 16. Let's rearrange.
So let's send the
x squared,
the 1 2 to that side.
okay. X squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 8y plus 1 equals to 0. Either you send it to this side or leave it this way. Basically, this is actually the standard way to write it. You write it equal to 0. Like I said, we are still building up on the coordinate geometry too. So if you take it to the other side, it's not wrong either. But there's a standard circle, equation of a circle. And remember what I told you too, that equation of a circle should always contain the x squared and y squared.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing too, the coefficient of the x squared and y squared should be the same. So if the coefficient of this is 5, the coefficient of this should also be 5. If this is 5 and this is not 5, or it's a different number, then it's not a circle. So you should take note of that.
Yes, sir.
Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can copy the solution down then. I'll take it out from there.
So I've already copied it.
Okay, so let's do another one, more challenging one. Find the equation of a circle with center 2, 3. Find the equation of the circle with center 2, 3. And passing through the points. Passing through the points. And passing through the points. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
1, 5. And passing through the points 1, 5. So the center is 2, 3. And the point at which the circle passes through is 1, 5. So basically, equation of a circle that is not centered at the origin is given by x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. Are we good with this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with this, I can say that. Yeah, we already know the center, so we can do the substitution. So we've got x minus the x component of the center is 2, so 2 squared, plus y minus the y component of the center is 3. But we don't know what the r squared is. So that's where maybe a slight drawing would have made our work a little bit easier. Even though it's not compulsory, it's advisable. So if there's a center, the center is 2, 3, and it's passing through the point 1, 5. I know the representation doesn't really look right because 2 and 1, that it doesn't matter. It's just giving us a visual something. So this is not the right representation. This point should ideally be on the other side of the 2. But anyway. Okay, this is going to be the radius. The radius is basically the length of the line. So let's say the line. So let's find the radius and give me the solution. I'll trust your answer. I'm not going to solve this.
Hey.
Trust your answer. See.
The radius.
pray my voice is also coming in the recording. My Camtasia app is messing up, so I'll post this one. Then next time I'll do the recording myself, and I'll send it to you.
So you have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I've got a developing YouTube channel. Only 144 subscribers.
So only.
I need like 1,000 subscribers and over, I think, 1,000 watch hours, 5,000 watch or 4,000 watch hours. I'm forgetting before I can start making money. So I'm not even close to making money. But anyway, it's not about making money. Making sure people do understand the math. And also, get one or two. I don't know, but they should love the math they are doing. I don't see math to be that difficult. Is it that difficult?
No, sir.
It's just practicing. And you pray you always these questions that you get wrong, so that you learn from your mistakes. Or if you solve questions and you expect to be getting everything right, it's not going to go wrong with you. Okay, so what did you get for the reviews?
So I got r squared is equal to 5.
R squared equals 5.
Yeah.
Okay, for the sake of maybe people that may watch this one, let's see if you are correct. So there's going to be 2 minus 1 squared plus 3 minus 5 squared. Are we good?
Okay, so square root of 5.
So that is the length of the line OA. So basically this is going to be equal to square root of this is 1 and this is 2. This is 4, sorry. So this is going to give you r should be equal to square root of 5. Therefore r squared is equal to 5. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So let me put it over here where r is equal to square root of 5. So leaving the square root of 5 squared. Expanding this gives you x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 6x plus 9. Sorry, I made a silly mistake this time. It wasn't intentional. So this y squared minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 5.
Okay.
Are we good with that one?
Okay, so when you were solving yours, the value for r, you made the coordinates 2, 3. You made it x and y. So that my own was 2, 3 was my AB.
Yeah.
Is it?
2 is my AB. It's what x and y. X and y doesn't change. X and y is a fixed point.
Okay.
But let me say, with the other ones, it changes. So that's why I'm saying that the center is represented with A and B. In some books, it's represented with X1 and Y1. I don't really like using that. So the center is the AB. Later on, I'll tell you that the center is not as interesting. But for the meantime, we are starting. So let's start with very, very easy to understand terms. Okay?
I see.
Okay. So do the simplification, then see where we're going to go from there. Are we good?
Good, please, I'm coming. Okay, so I'm okay.
Okay, so let's do one more. Okay, what's the final
Okay, so you get x squared minus 4x plus, okay, no, x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0.
Okay. Okay, that is good. Okay, let's take another one. Find the equation of the circle with center 3, negative 4, passing through the point 3, 0. With center 3, negative 4, and passing through the center, passing through the point 3, 0. Passing through the point 3, 0. Are you true?
So I'm doing it. Say okay, 3-0.
How is it going?
Says okay, so I'm almost done.
Chairman, it's taking a longer. Lots of
So,
time.
so okay, I got x squared plus
Okay.
y squared minus 9x plus 16y plus 7 is equal to 0.
Jesus, I don't think it's right. What I've got over here is completely different.
Hey.
Let's see where you went from. Don't worry, let's see where you went from.
So,
X minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Where this is the center, so this is going to be 3 minus, sorry, x minus 3. The center is the b, so x minus 3 squared plus y minus, either the book is wrong, so y plus 4 squared, because negative and negative will give you a positive, is equals to r squared. We need to find the, what's the name? We need to find the
Value of r squared.
r. So, this is the center of the circle, and the center is 3, negative 4. Unless it is the point 3, 0. Like I said, it's not really actually the point, but let's take it like that. Yeah, this should be exactly below it, but this case, this is the arrow is the length of this line. Find the length of the line. It's going to be called the square root of 3 minus 3 squared plus 0 minus negative 4 squared. So r is basically 3 minus 3 is 0. That is 4 squared, that is 16. So r is equal to 4. Did you get that radius equals 4?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I think there's expansion function. So I can replace this one with 16 since r squared is 4. So this is, sorry, r is 4, so r squared is 16.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I did it, so I didn't bring the squared on the r. Like on the six, on
So
on the 4.
You represented it as 4. Just 4.
Yeah.
Okay, so next time be careful.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's do the expansion of our. This is going to be x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 8y plus 16 is equals to 16. Interesting. It's just like it looks like the previous one.
I say it
One
was.
of the questions.
So it was the expansion.
The expansion to went from 8. What's went from over there? What's went from in the expansion?
So so the next expansion I'll get it to the worry. So.
Okay, good luck with that one. Okay, the 16 goes to the other side, but just take it outside, it should be fine.
Yes, sir.
X squared minus 6x. Let me just do all the straight away then. So x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y plus 9 should be equal to 0. My simplification is correct, this should be correct. Yeah, I think the simplification is correct. So this is the equation of the circle centered at point, which is the origin. Passing through and upwards. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move on to the last part of geometry.
Hey, right now.
Just the equation. That's the last equation of the circle. That is the general equation of the circle.
Okay.
The rest will be just manipulating the general equation to solve the question. But the most important thing is we've done it so far. Okay, let's recap. We've got this one, the first one, that is x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. What is the center of this circle?
So
Let me just make it so that that one will be easier to get what I'm trying to bring out. So with this one, we've got the equation, and we've got the center, and we've got the radius. Let me see. Let me just get something. Just to 10. Okay, so what's the first equation of the circle we know?
so the formula.
Yes.
Why am I circle? Okay, so x minus e squared.
Oh, gee, that is the first one. X squared plus y squared is equals to r squared.
Yeah.
This was the very first. What was the center of the circle?
So the center of the circle will be r squared.
And center, you are saying r squared. Right, sorry. Because the center of the circle, why remember to do that? This is the equation of the circle centered at the origin. Or forgotten.
So I've not forgotten.
And so why are you giving the center as r? That center sound like r. Okay, so the center is basically at the origin. So let's say the origin is 0, 0. And the radius is r. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
The radius is r. The next equation we know is what?
X minus e squared
X minus a squared
plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared.
What's the center of this one?
So so it's not okay. So
The center is AB.
okay, AB.
And the radius r. Are we good with this?
Yes, sir.
Now, we left just one more to do. That is the general equation of a circle. So, I'll come back to this table again.
Yes, sir.
So, the general equation of the circle is basically derived the equation of a circle centered at any other point that is not the origin. Basically, you can also use this one for the origin, where a and b will be 0, 0. So, leaving you with leaving you. Now, what I want you to do is to expand. Okay. Let's expand this. We are going to work this a little variable, so be careful.
Okay.
What's the expansion of this one? S minus a all squared.
X squared
Okay.
minus 2ax plus a squared plus y squared minus 2by plus b squared is equals to r squared.
Okay, so let's rearrange it like the way we used to. So this gives you x squared plus y squared minus 2ax minus 2by plus a squared plus b squared minus r squared equals to 0. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
This thing looks a little clumsy. So what we're going to do is to see there are some terms without x or y. That is a squared plus b squared minus r squared. We're trying to clean these ones to form one term. And also, leaving the work with a negative is not wrong. This is actually a very, very nice expansion. But it doesn't really look nice. And besides, I don't like working with negatives. So instead of working with this negative, I can do a substitution that is going to get rid of the negative. So notice that the center of this equation was AB. Is out there.
Yes, sir.
There's the center of the equation. This AB. I'm going to modify this a little bit by saying that okay, I'm going to let a variable, let's say g, to be equal to so let's say negative g to be equal to a. Then I can also say that let negative f to be equal to. This is just to get rid of the negative you see over there. If that's the case, alter the center a little bit. So the new center, what do you think the new center will be?
Okay, so x squared.
No. Just the new. Don't look at this thing. Just the center.
Okay.
So if g is equal to a is equal to negative g and b is equal to negative f, what is going to be the new center?
Negative g negative f.
Negative f. Wonderful. So let's try to modify this equation. This now gives you x squared plus y squared minus 2. A is negative j x minus b is negative f y plus a is negative g squared plus e is negative f squared minus r squared equals 0. This now gives you x squared plus y squared. Negative times negative gives you positive, so 2gx. Negative times negative again will give positive 2fy. Then basically negative g squared is basically g squared, and negative f squared is f squared minus r squared. This is equal to 0. You see that I've gotten rid of the negative. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
By doing a little modification to the question. And also, again, this is a lot of things to recite. Like if I tell you to do a general equation of the cycle, it's like x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2 squared plus x squared. Now it's a lot. So what we're going to do is to clip this thing as 1, so that we don't really say a lot of things over there. So I'm going to let a variable to represent all this.
Hey.
Let's call that variable. Let's say c. Don't worry, we're used to it. Don't worry. Let's call this variable. This is c. So I'm going to let c represent everything. So g squared plus x squared minus r squared squared. So C is representing all this. With that, I can now write the equation as x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is easier to remember or recall. So we say that this is the general equation of a circle. So the general equation of a circle. So the general equation of a circle is given by x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where the center of the circle is negative g negative f, and the c you see over there is basically g squared plus f squared minus r squared. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go to the summary table again. So the new equation over here, can you give me? I don't know if you remember.
Say x squared plus y squared plus
y squared
plus 2gx
2gx
plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0.
That is wonderful. Okay, so in this case, the center of the circle is negative g negative f. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. We substituted it. Yeah.
Yes, we did the substitution. And also, I did c is equal to g squared plus f squared minus r squared. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's find r so that we put something at the radius. Finding r is taking this to the side, taking this to the other side. Giving r squared is equal to g squared plus f squared minus c. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Where r is equal to the square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. So we say that the radius of this one is r is equal to square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. And that will give you the three main formulas. Actually, you don't need the first two again. If you know this one, this can solve any circle question. That's why the general equation is remember the magnitude.
Yes, sir.
The Pascal star. Then the Pascal star. More specific application that is the 1 plus.
Sir, please, my auntie is calling me. I have to take the call. Sir Mouse.
Yeah.
Sir, my auntie, she wanted me to do something for her.
Okay. So are you going to do it now? Because we've got like some minutes.
Oh, sir, I can do it after.
Okay. Okay, so that is the summary of everything. Like I said, this is very, very important. The others, if you forget, I don't know, it turns out that you really forget about this one. It's not really effective.
Yes, sir.
The general equation.
Yes, sir.
So let's see if you collect that one. We really need to memorize that one too.
So that's my assignment.
No, but I taught you how to do it, so I'm very good at
Yeah.
I would love if you know how to apply it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Definitely, memorize is going to forget. But if you know how to apply it,
Yeah.
but if you forget, it will come back.
So I like to derive equations more than memorizing them.
Yes.
It makes it simple. So that like when they twist the question, I still know what to
Okay, so let's see if we can fix it again. So the general equation of the circle is given by what?
do. X squared
X squared
plus y squared
plus y squared
plus 2gx
2gx
plus 2f plus c Okay, plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0.
Where the center of the circle
is negative g and negative f.
Good. And the radius, and then what this one, if you're able to remember, is really interesting. The radius is.
So the
don't worry. You are used to this one. The radius is the square root of g squared plus f squared minus c.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next exercise we're going to do is we are going to try to find the center and the radius given the equation. So the next subtopic, finding the center and the radius given the equation. Finding the center and the radius given the equation. Are we here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this case, let's write a question. Find the center and the radius of the circle. Find the center and the radius of the circle. X squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 equals to 0.
So find the radius and the center of the circle. Okay, x squared plus. Okay. X squared plus y squared minus 2x. Okay, someday.
Okay, so let's see what. Okay, so with this one, whenever you are given the equation like this, it's always going to be advisable to compare it to the general equation of the circle. There is a different way to do that using complete cross squares, but that is totally. I don't really like that one because completing cross squares is a lot of students don't like it. But if you are good with completing of squares, you can just do completing of squares. But it's better to compare it to the general equation of the circle. So comparing this to the general equation of the circle, do you agree? I can say that 2gx is basically equal to negative 2x.
Yes, sir.
Because x squared is compared to this one, this is compared to this one, this is compared to this one, this is compared to this one, and this is compared to this one. And I can also say that what else can I say?
You can say that negative 4 is equal to c.
Okay, but let's move accordingly. So let's say 2fy is equal to negative 4y. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
And c is equal to negative 4. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
So with this one, if I divide both sides by x, I get 2g is equal to negative 2. And if I divide by 2, I get g is equal to negative 1. And 2f again will be equal to negative 4 if I divide 2 by y. Then dividing 2 by 2, I get f to be equal to negative 2. And c is equal to negative 4. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Remember we said that the center is negative g, negative f. So I can say that the center, which is equal to negative g, negative f. Now that we know what g is negative 1. So this becomes negative of negative 1. Then f is negative of negative 2. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
So this becomes 1, 2. So the center becomes 2. And just like that, we found the center of the circle.
Hey.
Yeah. So let's go to the radius. The radius is the square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. So r remains equal to the square root of g was negative 1. So negative 1 squared plus f was negative 2 squared plus c. So minus c minus negative 4 since c is negative 4. So we input everything on the calculator. So this is going to be the square root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, I think. So this is set 3 I don't know if uh, this. Okay, so this is 3. R is equal to 3. R is equal to 3. So we found the center and we found the radius. Are we good with that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can just copy the solution now and we see.
Calm down.
Okay. So let's do another one. Find the equation. Sorry, find the radius and center of the circle equation. Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, so the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 6x
X squared plus y squared plus 6x.
plus y squared plus 6x
Mm.
plus 14y plus 54 is equal to 0.
Okay.
So let's see if you can recall what was the
Say, I got 3 for G.
So what's the center? That is what I'm interested in.
So I'm doing it.
Okay. Don't forget to send me the recording and let me post it on my page.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'll get people who I'll teach online from different countries. And I'll take them some small money. How much will I take them? And how much do you want?
Say, on their currency.
Their currency.
Yeah.
Let's talk about USD or British pounds. Because I teach A level also, so so if it's USD, how much you like to get? Per hour.
Say 100 B.
100 USD. Jesus.
Say the same.
That's too much.
Say it's too much.
Okay.
Say the same time I got -3, -7.
That is very good. What is the radius?
The radius is it. So I got 2.
Okay, the radius is 2. That is very good. So let me give you a more challenging one.
Hey, so the time is always up.
Yeah, I know. 6 minutes. I'm not going to really share a lot about it. I'm just going to comment on it.
Yes, sir.
so find the center and the radius of a circle with the equation 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 16x plus 12y plus 5. Let's see. Let me
Okay,
do
let me do it. Let me do it. I think I have the idea. I hope I do.
I hope so for you too. Any ideas as to how to solve this?
So I'm almost done. Okay, fine. Okay, so for the center, I had -2, -3/2. Hey.
-2, -3/2 is correct.
Yes.
Nice work. Nice work. What's the radius? Nice work.
So the radius is wait. Radius is set 5.
That is very correct. Charlie. Nice work. So it means I don't need to explain anything because you didn't get it correct.
Yes.
Okay, so those that may be watching, basically you have to compare this one to the equation of the circle, which is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. So ideally, you should know that the x squared and y squared, both of them, they've got coefficients of 1. So what you need to do is to first make sure that x squared and y squared have coefficients of 1 by dividing everything by 4. If that's the case, you get this one to be x squared plus y squared plus 16 divided by 4 is 4x and 12 divided by 4 is 3y, and the c is going to be equal to 5/4. this is equal to 0. And this we can now compare and find out g and the x. So comparing this, you can say that 2g is equal to 4, where g is equal to 2. Also, you can say that 2f is equal to 3, where f is equal to 3 over 2. Where we know the center is negative g, negative f, we can also say that the center of this is negative 2, negative 3 over 2. We also know r to be equal to the square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. And we know from comparison that c is equal to 5 over 4, leaving you with r to be equal to the square root of the g, which is negative 2 squared, so negative 2 squared plus f, which is negative 3 over 2 squared minus c, and this is negative 5 over 4. You do this correctly and you get this one to be equal to set 5. So that is just nice. Nice work.
Yes.
So I'll send you only 20 questions for you to check in the center and whatever.
20 questions.
Okay. Only 20.
Hey.
Okay. So I'll send it to you.
Say, can you reduce it?
Okay, so let's work with 90.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
just find the same time. So just find the same time.
So, of course, I was supposed to leave here to prepare right now, and today I'll end everything around 7:30.
Okay, so let's do from what's the name?
Okay, let's make it 15. Say.
Okay, let's make it 15. I think 15 is okay. So you're not doing the I. Let me send it to you so that we discuss it. I'll tell you which one.